The sun is hitting different. What? Oh, I need to get that lighting. You see that? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rose here with another video yet again. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I got this quick eye look, along with some styles that I'll do with my twist out. I have my twist in for about a week now. I told you guys I'll twist it up, and I do have a tutorial on how I twist my hair up, so if you want to see it, you can go watch that and refer back to this channel. I'm going to show y'all how I style my mini twists. Just styles that might look cute, because I wasn't feeling them at first, but they're kind of growing on me, so I like it a little bit. The sun is hitting right now, so my lighting might look a little different in the remaining of the video, but it is what it is.
It's Afro Jam music.
Mix. Girl, you make me loco. Your body not my go-to. Saw you from the back, girl, you make my head scatter. Your body be the matter. Oh yeah. It's been a while, haven't heard from you, girl. I no good mind to wait for you. Yeah. Your body got the sauce and juice, you know. I surrender.
Alright guys, so I'm officially done with my face. I like the look. It's like a simple glam and it looks good, and yeah. I tried something new and I'm happy and proud of myself. These are my twists all down. Usually what I do to refresh it is just spray it with some water just to reactivate the conditioner in it, and then I just go ahead and put some moisturizer in it and seal it with the Shea Essentials oil. So yeah, I went ahead and did that already. So if you want to see how I style my hair using these mini twists, just keep watching. Alright guys, that was it for my different styles. Possibly style my hair wearing this twist out. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna wear it. Probably for like one more week, but after that I'm taking this thing out because I'm ready to put another wig on, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Original, bad man. Original, bad man. Oh.
It's V kills.